everybody! Today I'm going to share a really quick and simple and of course delicious recipe for gochu-bokkeum, stir-fried green chili peppers. But today's green chili peppers are mild. It's called also shishito pepper, in Korean gochu. This is gochu, kind of a wrinkly, mild green chili peppers. I got this from the local grocery store. This is one of the recipes that you don't have to worry about the Korean special cooking ingredients. Let's get started. I remove these stems. Measure 8 ounce. 8 ounce and wash. I'm going to cut into bite-sized pieces. And put them back. And then we need to coat with flour. Just 1 tablespoon. Mix this. Okay, and then let's heat up the skillet. So medium-high heat. My skillet is heated and I'm going to add some cooking oil. This is grapeseed oil. Add. You don't have to stir this. The bottom side should be a little kind of crunchy. Meanwhile, let's mince garlic and onion. Half a cup chopped onion. I think this is. Okay, now just is 2 minutes past. Flip it over. Like this. Little crunchy. Press down. Come back to onion. And garlic. I cooked about 2 more minutes. Garlic and onion. Turn down the heat to medium. We are going to add some seasoning. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Wow, it smells good. Some water comes out from the onion so that nice kind of look shiny and nice. No sugar. I made this recipe without using sugar. Sugarless. It is lightly coated with flour, so see, it is shiny and looks so good. Keep stirring until onions are little translucent. Turn off. Sesame oil, 2 teaspoons. So you guys are learning Korean cooking for a long time, some of you. At this point, what do you want to sprinkle on top? Anybody knows the answer? Yes, sesame seeds. This is toasted sesame seeds. Here you go. 고추볶음. 고추볶음 done. Just we made it so quickly, right? Always eat with rice. So because this is I added 2 tablespoons soy sauce and you should eat with rice. Surprisingly sweet because of onion. Even a few years ago, I couldn't find this kind of peppers at a local grocery store. But these days, just a local grocery market sells this. So you guys can go to any grocery store, find this, and make this side dish. The other day I saw that one lady was just in front of this peppers and she seems to be really thinking about how to cook. I really want to say that, hey, you know how to cook? This is the way that really delicious. I really want to say, if she asked me, probably I will tell her all kind of long story. Today we made gochu-bokkeum together. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.